everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can send the large photos or videos from an iPhone to an Android user or an iPhone user. For the first case, we have an iPhone user and the size of the video or an audio or a picture is very large. What you need to do is go to the photo, and as you can see the bottom of the option, just tap on it. It's an airdrop option. You can select it and airdrop to a guy who is using an iPhone. It will instantly send it over. It will take a little bit, but it's worth it. But if the iCloud link isn't showing up and you couldn't airdrop to a person and it get failed, you need to go to your settings, make sure that your Apple account, I need to start it from the beginning. You need to go to the settings and make sure you have an Apple account active. You need to go to the iCloud option, and under the iCloud option, make sure you have an sync to this phone or photos is activated. If you don't have the space, you need to buy the space on an iPhone, which you need to upgrade from more storage, and you can increase the storage or buy the storage from here. What you need to do is just go to your photos, and under the photos, if you select some photo like this to this option, it will automatically show you this option, copy iCloud link, like this. From here we will send airdrop. It will show you copy iCloud link. In my case it didn't showed up because I have turned off the iPhone iCloud photos section because I am using the free side of the iCloud. So these are the two methods you can actually send a guy an iCloud link directly, and he can download the iCloud from the iCloud in a higher speed, and the larger file would be sent instantly. Another way is an airdrop. I hope this video helping out in sending the photos and videos to your friends and family. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.